What is going on? Happy New Year, everybody. So, 5 weeks ago, I got that huge shipment from Helly Hansen Workwear. I got the Chelsea rain jacket, I got the Chelsea pants, I got those Vojig pants. Is that what they call Vojig pants? I think I just said that completely wrong. And I got the Chelsea pile jacket. I have not had a really good test on the Chelsea pile jacket. On the Chelsea raincoat, I spent 3 full days in a downpour and was completely dry. That's a review that's coming up, but I really need to test this Chelsea pile jacket because the Chelsea pile jacket is a very warm jacket. It's a thermal sweatshirt that's fleece lined and has a full thermal lining built into the back end of it. This thing is beautiful. Now I had it out in 20 degrees, I had it out in 10 degrees, short exposures, very short exposures, just over an hour. It was okay, I was warm. Now I'm gonna go out today to a nature preserve. Good friends of ours have told us that they saw some 6-pointed bucks running around and there's some moving water. So we're gonna go out, I'm gonna try and get some photos with my Sigma 100 by 400 lens so I don't have to get right on top of them. I'm gonna try out these new cold condition gloves. This is the updated version of the cold condition. This is supposed to be twice as warm as the old one. Let's find out. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to operate this thing with these, but still, I want something on my hands that is really good and ironclad. It's great stuff. So that's that. Let's get out there. Let's go check things out. Let's go have some fun and maybe we'll see some bucks. So as it turns out, I have not started the car in 3 days. I have not driven anywhere in 3 days. I haven't cleaned this car off either from all the snow for 3 days. Well, guess there's no better time than now if you're gonna drive to clean off the car, correct? So, some gloves on. Let's get this big brush out of here and let's get to work. Alright, we are here and it is cold. A lot colder than I was expecting it to be. Hey Google, how cold is it out right now?
In Shuffle right now, it's 11 degrees.
Got 11 degrees out here. So I think I'm going to put a vest on and probably put something around my neck. Oh, the bad thing about wearing one of these things, when you have it up, completely fogs up your glasses. But let's do a vest. It's cold out here. Holy smokes. It's 11 degrees. Go for a walk in 11 degrees. Go look for deer. I know, it seems a little goofy, but you know, I kind of want to do it. I kind of want to get out there and I kind of want to see these big guys that everybody keeps telling me about. Alright, so I already determined that I am not going to be able to work my camera with the ironclad gloves, so I'm not going to be using them. And that kind of sucks because I was kind of looking forward to it, but they're just way too clunky for the fine little wheels and stuff that are on the camera, so I'm going to switch it over to a pair of running gloves that I have that's made by Head. I'm going to put on this monster of a lens. this big old lens. Put the cap on my other lens. All right. So, what do you say we go track down some of these big deer that everybody keeps telling me about, and let's get out there. I can honestly say that it is quite cold out here, and maybe it's just a lack of no beard right now, but man, I can really like feel that cold. Maybe shaving off that big monster of a beard wasn't the best idea in the middle of winter. Huh. I should have rethought that one, huh? Supposedly, where I'm at is where everybody keeps seeing these 3 6-pointed bucks, as what they've told me and what I've, read in messages. I'm scanning everything. I don't see any moving water. Everything looks like it's pretty frozen. There's actually track marks all through what is this little bit of water here. There's nothing moving, so I can't see why they would be around here. But we'll just keep looking and we'll keep going through everything. I'm on the other side of the lake right now, and I thought I saw something move. I thought I saw something move, and I've slowly walked over here. But I think I'm just seeing leaves and dead trees move, because I'm not seeing any trails, I'm not seeing any poop or anything like that. So I'm gonna keep hunting around though. I don't know about that. Outside of animal trails on it, I don't see any human tracks on it. I see stuff that looks like deer. I see stuff that looks like it's coyote. Considering where we are, there's not going to be any wolves. I guess I could backtrack and get onto the whole other section of this. Well, I'll figure it out. I'm still not cold. This Helly Hansen jacket, this is pretty damn nice. I mean, I do have that vest on and the area thermal shirt and all that other stuff, but still, I got a sweatshirt on. The hood's awesome. The way this hood fits, this hood's kick-ass. I'm gonna try to make my way to the other side. I am now on completely the other side. I am totally on the opposite side and coming up on this tall grass. Now, I've been here before. We've kayaked this spot and we have completely
like fish this spot for smallmouth and largemouth. Mainly we only caught bluegills and a few smallmouth. Never any largemouth here, as some people say. There's always largemouth here. But yeah, so we're on completely the other side. Pretty beautiful here in the wintertime. It's pretty damn nice in the summertime too, especially from a kayak with a couple beers. It's pretty nice, but it's pretty quiet. No deer. I'm cold. I mean, I'm not cold. This isn't cold. My face is cold mainly. That's the only thing that's cold on me. And I think if my face is cold, I think I'm the only one to blame for that because of this and not having the beard anymore. So I'm gonna walk another mile or two through this place. I'm thinking about going a little bit deeper into this. Try and get to the water's edge, but the only thing with this tall grass, it's gonna be hard to determine where the grass starts and where the grass ends and where the water starts. So, all right. So I was thinking about my next live stream. I know, out here in the middle of a forest, I'm thinking about my next live stream. But I think it's gonna be more about what your favorite boots are and what your favorite single line is from a comedy movie. Any comedy movie, anything. What's your single favorite line? I think that's gonna be the topic of the next live stream. I really do. This is a big tree. Holy smokes, look at this thing. Ah, look at the hollow part up there. Huh. Something else I noticed that I haven't seen any? I haven't seen any hawks. I haven't seen any hawks out here at all. I mean, I understand it's cold, but I hear no birds moving. And it is, geez, what time is it now? It's almost 1 o'clock, so the sun's gonna go down in another 3 hours. Interesting. Alright. Oh, no go. No luck. Nothing whatsoever. No deer. But wrong time of the day. Maybe. And cold. Maybe. Thought maybe we just see a few walking around as we went into the woods. But I'll tell you one thing. Hella Hansen Chelsea jacket. This fleece thing, pretty damn nice. So a couple weeks from now, I can do a full review on this thing, maybe even sooner, depending on how many people ask about it. I'll start doing that. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Also, if you got any questions about work gear, any of that stuff, you can always shoot me over an email. Alright, until the next time, I'm the boot guy out here playing in the forest, looking for deer, testing out gear. Alright guys, be good. See you soon.